Hi, it's Mark from Saphrox Studios. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Now, I don't normally do unboxing videos, but today I am super excited because what I think I have received through said post is one of these, a plasma pedal from Gamechanger Audio. Now, if you haven't heard about this thing, it is a pretty amazing, cool looking thing. It turns your sound into lightning, into plasma, into like, you know, electricity sparking through high voltage, and then converts that back into audio, which creates distortion in the process. So it's very different to everything that's ever been done before. So I am super excited. The product got mentioned back in January 2018, got a release on Winter Namm, and back in April they did an Indiegogo sort of funding thing, which absolutely went through the roof. I think they took out something like 921% is what they achieved. So they literally blew their target out. Now last year I got the Plus pedal, and that was super awesome. Now if you've never seen a Plus pedal, this is a Plus pedal. This is one of their other products, which is very cool. So let's get stuck into this box here. Now I already know that it's not shipped with a power supply, so the fact the box is a little tiny, I'm pretty certain it's just going to be the pedal in there, which is all good, but let's see how it turns out. So let's get this opened up. Now my blade doesn't work, there we go. Alrighty, so been waiting for this for so long. Okay. Right, so we have box immediately in box, so it looks pretty cool. It's a nice outer box. It's got the actual plasma pedal printed on the outside, which is nice and cool, nice and sturdy, no damage. So it's come all the way from Latvia. So open this up. Here we go. We've got some extra bits in here. What we got here? We got some like feet. I think this is what these are. So we've got some feet that we can stick on, which is cool. Got those there. Got a sticker, love a sticker. It's all good. And another sticker, got two different stickers. So they're gonna go somewhere, aren't they? Righty, what was this? A information pamphlet. And then a well-protected, there we go, if we can see that, a well-protected pedal. So underneath this cover, there we go, look at that beauty. Just there. You've seen it longer than I have. There we go. That is beautiful. It's nice and heavy. I know I've felt the box already, but now it's got no packaging on it, it feels heavier. Was that weird? But there we go. This is beautiful. Nice, solid construction. We've got the blend, low frequency, voltage, high frequency, volume, all these different pots up here. You've got the on-off button, as you would expect with a foot pedal, and then you've got the tube in there, which is where all the glory is going to happen. It's going to start looking like fiery and lightningy like that, which is awesome. On the back, we got in and out. We've got this clean on-off, so that's your EQ, clean on-off, and then we've got that wall on the back. And lovely, just noticed something, on the back we've got a beautiful little sticker that's personalized to me. I got number 70 out of all of the pedals, and it says to me, and it's signed by all the chaps at Gamechanger Audio. So thank you very much, lovely little touch. I like that very much. I cannot wait to get this sort of plugged in and let it rock. Please check them out, Gamechanger Audio. I've been Mark, Saphrox Studios. We have a load more product reviews, tips and tricks, tutorial guides, all on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comment section below if you've had one, whether you've got the experience with it, whether you have any questions about it, and maybe when we do the playthrough, we'll be able to get them answered for you. So yeah, check it out. I've been Mark, Saphrox Studios. See you later.